My name is Ryan Louch. I'm the lead welder at Erie Mechanical. The stuff that we make basically goes all over the world. It's all water purification components, pulled pumps, control panels. We did some water purification units when Hurricane Katrina hit. We provided all the pipe work and the filter work for Las Vegas. Basically, when I first got hired, I wasn't hired as a welder. I was hired as a Joe boy. So I was punching holes, sweeping floors, grinding parts. They just kind of slowly got me into welding. And as I progressed, I picked up different skills, different processes of welding, and you just start from the bottom of the list and continue up to the top.
Hi, my name is Chris. I work over here at Lathe & Pull Products in Brantford. I work on the vinyl department, and I make sure to check on the quality in the quality inspection area. I've seen many liners over here in this company so far. Some I really found super interesting because of the scale of how large some of them are, or how some of the designs are stuff that I've never seen before, ever in this trade. What excites me about this job is that the fact that every time I make the liner, I know that it's going to come to someone's house and they're going to be very happy with the product. And I'll have the satisfaction of knowing that I made it with a team of people.
My name is Mike Boucher. I am a lead hand at Mott Manufacturing. We make laboratory cabinetry, workstations, fume hoods. A fume hood is where students or lab technicians can put their chemicals into the hood, put the door down, and it safely releases the chemicals. We supply products to Dow Chemicals, Harvard University, Stanford University, University of Toronto. The thing that most surprised me when I started here was everything is done here. It goes from sales to design to manufacturing of the parts to finishing the product, all in this facility. 5 years ago, I worked on the floor as a normal worker. I became backup lead hands of all the assembly departments, and now I'm the lead hand of the fume hood department. Research the company that you're applying for. Know what they do. There's so many different positions in our company that if you can come in and say, I'd like to be a welder or a painter or an assembler, it helps fit you into that company, and your success rate for working with that company is so much better.
It's been a great job. They've kept me employed for 13 years. There's lots of opportunity.
The nice part about a manufacturing company is that you can start off with very basic skills, which is hand tools, tape measures, cordless drills, and it goes right up to the more experienced skills such as welding, painting, and programming machinery. If you take initiative, it will be rewarded.
What I would tell a lot of people out there looking for jobs, especially young people like me, is that it's not impossible for us to find a job, and what I'd suggest for them is to give the trades a try. There's so many opportunities over here that a lot of people are missing, and it's a real great place.